And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Emma Vogt.
Now, she explained how her family cattle operation preconditions calves before the weaning process, and that preconditioning includes providing immunization boosters to keep the calves healthy. Well, now Emma is back with a recipe to share, and it could become a fall family favorite.
Well, this time of the year, we are all looking for a recipe that is hearty and quick, and we've got one for you now. Joining me is Emma Vogt with Common Ground again. And Emma, you have a recipe that uses beef.
Yes, that's a big thing in our family. We like to use the beef that we raise. And there's all kinds of ways to keep it simple to feed your family. So I've got a pound of ground beef here, and I'm just going to add it into my pan. And then you add some spaghetti sauce. You know, we use a lot of our own that we can, but you can use any kind, and just pour it on in.
Stir it up a little bit, heat it up.
Yep, heat it up, and you let it mix for about 5-10 minutes. Just make sure that meat and sauce is ready. If you ground the ground beef right at that time, as long as you add it and get the sauce hot, it works out good. And during that time, then I just have a can of biscuits that I take, just a regular large store-bought biscuit. And this is something easy for the kids. It's kind of fun that they like to do. You take one and you just kind of stretch it out some, get it nice and flat. And then you take a muffin tin and you press it down in there. And the kids really enjoy doing that. And press it along the sides and just get it so you've got kind of a little cup form there that you can put your ground beef right in. And usually it just takes about two tablespoons of meat to fill it up. And then you put it in the oven and cook it for about 15 minutes. And then when it comes out of the oven, you take some just shredded cheese and sprinkle that right on, let them cool for just a few minutes. And then you've got some nice little muffins that the kids can either eat that way. They can cut up really nice, but it's really nice for our older ones that they can just hold it and eat it. It's a little bit easier than spaghetti some nights when we don't want to mess with all the noodles and that, and it freezes good or refrigerates real well, and they can take it for a school lunch too.
That is great. All right, that's good to know that that is a meal that you can take on the go with you as well as enjoy at home. So Emma, thank you very much for being here today.